Today I'm going to teach you how to add education to your Fiverr profile. This is a great way to showcase your qualifications and build trust with potential clients who want to see your academic background. First, open your web browser and head over to fiverr.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you've logged in successfully, look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Profile. This will take you directly to your personal profile page where you can manage all your information. Now that you're on your profile page, scroll down through the different sections until you spot the Education section. This might take a moment as there are several sections to pass through, including your overview, skills, and other details. Once you locate the Education section, you'll see a button that says Add New with a plus sign next to it. Click on that button to begin adding your educational credentials. A form will pop up where you can input all your education details. The first field you'll encounter asks for your country. Click on the drop-down menu and select the country where you studied. This helps clients understand your educational background and context. Next, you'll need to enter the name of your school or university. Type this information into the field provided, making sure to spell it correctly, as this is how clients will see it on your profile. After that, move on to the degree field. Click on the drop-down menu here and select the type of degree you earned, whether it's a bachelor's, master's, doctorate, or another qualification. Following that, you'll see a field labeled Field of Study. Enter the specific area or major you focused on during your education. This could be anything from computer science to graphic design to business administration, depending on your academic background. Being specific here helps clients understand your expertise. Finally, you need to select your year of graduation. Click on the drop-down menu for the graduation year and choose when you completed your degree. This gives clients a sense of how recent your education is and helps establish your level of experience. Once you've filled in all these details and double-check that everything is accurate, click the Add button at the bottom of the form. Your education will now appear in the Education section of your Fiverr profile, making your credentials visible to anyone viewing your profile. And that's it. You've successfully added your education to your Fiverr profile, giving potential clients more confidence in your qualifications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.